guys. Yeah, so this is a new day and we have a lot to do today. We're going out today. In fact, stay tuned. I'll carry you guys along as always, okay? Yeah, come on.
Who's okay doing here?
Okay,
Me?
What about you? How was your night?
So, did you sleep well?
Okay. So, wakey. Over to that place.
Girl. Hey, Sophie.
Hey, Mommy.
Okay. Let's let your daddy help you. Okay?
Hi guys, how you all doing? Good morning. It's a beautiful Sunday morning today in London, United Kingdom. So we woke up. We had a long day yesterday from traveling from Newport, Wales to London. We settled in the Airbnb and then we went out, had food, looked around, did a little shopping. Yeah. So this is a new day, Sunday morning, and we've all woken up. And we have a lot to do today. We'll be going out to, I think, Westminster Pier today. So, this is me here telling you guys good morning from London, United Kingdom. So, we're in our mini vacation day too. Yeah, so I've washed up. I woke up this morning. You guys saw it. Washed my face, brush. My husband is helping the kids brush. So, I'll go to the kitchen now, make food, and then my mom is here, but she's not feeling too well. And I don't think she'll be going with us for the outing because, like I said, she's not feeling too well. So we'll go and then we'll come back. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. Please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, come on, let's go to the kitchen.
What are you doing? We're still showing that it's on.
Because we had to wait for a little bit.
Is that how it
So if you break that glass. Okay, here's the step. Mommy's going to buy me another. No, I don't want this.
Let me get a pad.
I want squeeze mat. Oh, no. I know that.
Let me put this soup right in the place. Soup.
And this is where we are going to put this in our box. Then we'll take it.
Okay. Okay, it's okay now. You can start to go.
Let's see how to
Carry it carefully, Scolina. Carry it here. Carefully.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I can do
So take this. So food is ready. Yummy noodles.
Up close. Up close. Me? Come on, carry your noodles. So, come on, carry. Why are you touching the floor? After now, you use it and touch your mouth and eat. Your tongue will start rumbling. Who is this five? Who is this fancy boy? Sorry. Who is this fire pepper soup? Okay. Careful, careful. You need to wear your shoe. Hi children!
Hi mommy!
Today, let's move a little bit. Ha! Who they check out? Who they check out? Come on, you look so beautiful. All set now. I'm ready to go. How do I look? Let me know in the comment section. Where is also? That's Big Ben. I'll carry you up later. You want to eat burger? Yeah.
Can I eat?
Can you eat what? Can you eat what? Good stuff. Vlog me. Yeah.
Can the boats?
Yeah, we can. So this is Westminster Pear. Can you see? Yeah, Westminster Pear. Westminster Pear. Yeah. Westminster Pear. Baby, I need to put my hair.
Have a bottle of water.
That's our ticket. Thank you so much. I had to pack my hair, and we're here at Overboard by Timeless Clippers to get our tickets. Hobby is getting the tickets. Yeah. So come out from there.
I hope mommy doesn't get sick.
What you mean?
If the boat is bumpy and bumpy, you might get sick.
I will not get sick, Bruce.
If it get bumpy, you might
There's a saying, hope I don't get sick. Sick of what? Sick of what exactly? So we are going to the... Babe, I saw point again. E. Okay, so we are going to point E, where we board our boat. That will take us round. So guys, I had to pack my hair. Like I said, the hair was just flying on my face. So we are here at London Bridge Tower, Overboard, Westminster Fair. Record. So are you going? Wait, let me go. Wait for me. So wait there. We'll be hopping in, hopping off. There are a lot of places to visit, to look at. Not like visit, there are a lot of places to look around, look at. Let me flip the camera and show you guys the view. So that's over there. So that's the boat. It will come and pick us. As you can see, a lot of people are there. So that's the Big Ben. No, that's the London Eye. London. Thank you. Thank you.